I don't know how the audio is going to be on this, and I apologize because it's pretty dang windy. But some of this is just too pretty not to share. So, you may get some verbiage out of this, and you might not. I don't know. Let's get up this. Whoa! That thunderstorm is so cool. I wish it would come this way. I almost didn't come out because I thought it was, but it's not. It's going the other way again. Missing it. But check this out. Look at that. How pretty. How pretty. So we just go for a little ride here. Like I said, the audio might suck, but it's windy as hell. But we got to go down. Oh man. One thing you can guarantee about the sand, it's always unpredictable. Some little sandy track behind the RV park where we're staying at. And I just wanted to see where it would go. And it keeps going. But it's getting a little late in the day. I'm supposed to be an adult, go home, cook dinner. Get up at 4 o'clock, go to work. I just don't want to. So I figured I'd take you guys for a little ride, see what you think. Hope you enjoy it. I know it's been a minute. Got some working on a few things. Some things are taking a little bit longer than I planned. I didn't know some of these processes were so in depth. So it is what it is. But yeah, I know I've mentioned changes before. It's really happening and it's really coming. It's just really taking a little longer than I thought. Oh, I wonder if you caught that. Well, I think I'm selling the OG. My 95 Wrangler. I don't think I'm selling it. I am selling it. The guy made me an offer and gave me a deposit on it, so OG's going away. And this would be the same man who bought my Cherokee. So when I brought him out of the mountain, that sounds weird. Because that is what happened. I brought him out of the mountain over there, and when he got to my place, he saw this Jeep and said, I think I'll take that one too. I was like, well, shit. I probably should have backed out of that, but I didn't. Since I told him I would, now I'm kind of committed. Where are we going? I've got to turn around. This is not where I need to be. Not where I need to be. This trail zigged and I should have zagged. So let me get this thing turned around. Hold on. As bad as I thought, but I still don't need to be back there. I don't know where that goes. God dang it. Went down to my toes. These old sand tracks, when you're by yourself, man, you got to be careful. You can get buried out in here real quick, and then all you've got is a long walk. And I ain't trying to walk anywhere. I drove this from home. I'd like to drive it back home. Get my butt back on the right trail. Oh, that was close. It's not near as soft as this mess. It's still soft. It's still just sand, but at least I drove in on it, so it ain't that bad. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Yeah, alright. Let's go this way. Should have done to begin with. Alright. I thought that cut through to that trail in front of us, but it does not. It absolutely makes a right turn. Anyhow. Beautiful evening for a little cruise. Thought I'd bring you along with. Nothing exactly extravagant, but it's fun. Little sandy little trail, just goes back into nothing. Get down that. Oh yeah. Let the pooch go for a little run earlier. She's happy. Say hi, baby. Believe it or not, that's her excited face. She loves going for little rides. But yeah, anyway, so since I am a man of my word and I commit to things I say I'm going to do, I kind of have to sell it to the man now. I'll get the title mailed to me for the other Jeep that he bought. And he told me when I got the stuff mailed back to me from Texas, I mailed the title home, and I'm not really sure why, because I'm not there. Getting it mailed back to me, I should have it Wednesday or Thursday. And he said, when you get it back, bring this Jeep and I'll give you the rest of the money for it, and then I'll take you home. I said, all right. So that's gonna happen. Now, unless he changes his mind, might be a blessing in disguise. I don't know, because all I'm gonna do is buy another one. And the other one's gonna be a little bit of a switcheroo, be a little different. Gotten a little spoiled to having me a toy car while I'm out on the road. I've had this Jeep for a year and a half. I had that Cherokee for, I don't know, 3 months. Not long. So it's already gone. And this one's virtually gone. Like I said, he gave me a pretty hefty deposit to hang on to it until I got my paperwork back. And you know, it was an old Jeep. It just, when I did the title paperwork, I mailed it to Texas, not even thinking about it, just, you know, natural instinct. So now I got to get it mailed to me and then take it to him. But anyway, yeah, I'm having too much fun doing this kind of stuff, cruising around little mountain trails, doing all this work in rural New Mexico. Mountains everywhere, trails everywhere. Yeah, this little piddly stuff like this just makes me happy. So that's what we're gonna do. whole lot, nothing that's super exciting. Get up here and show you this viewpoint here in just a minute. It is a beautiful view. And people just driving right by. Some may know it's here, but I bet you most of them don't. Well, most people probably don't care, and that's all right too. But I love venturing off into the unknown. There's a lot of excitement to that for me. I do that stuff a lot. Hey, where does that road go? I don't know. Let's go find it. Make sure you got a full tank, some snacks. Take off. Way back off in the middle of nowhere with no cell service, no cell phone, no maps. Just drive. God, it's fun. Questionable? Yeah, I agree with that. Fun? Absolutely. Follow the path less traveled. I know that wind is messing it up. This is where I want to show you this view anyway. Hey, there's the interstate right there. Buddy. So this is the OG. Oh man. Hi, baby. Oh, have mercy. So yeah, I apologize for the audio. I know it's not going to be real good. This wasn't exactly planned, and I didn't bring my mic, so sorry. Look at that. Man, oh man, I wish that would come this way. Yeah, this trail just keeps on and going. There's a little peak right over there. We were close to that, maybe beyond it. I don't see the cross. There's one of these other peaks back over here. It's got a cross on top. We started a little bit past that one. Come to here, and this just goes back down. That little road right there. Yeah, it's an highway. Little RV park. Anyway, sorry guys, not trying to avoid you this time. Like I said, a little unplanned. And didn't think about it. So. Y'all have a good one.